Hi everybody, today we are going to see the nervous system. So, look, the nervous system controls everything we do. Thinking, walking, talking, sleeping, eating and breathing. Well, the most important part of the nervous system is our brain. Look, where is the brain? Here, perfect. The brain is an organ inside our head. So the brain is here, inside our head. The brain sends information to different parts of our body through the nerves. Do you see the nerves? Our body is covered by the nerves, right? Okay. The brain also receives information from the five senses through the nerves. So, two different ways. The brain sends information to the different parts of the body, and the brain receives the information from the five senses. Do you remember what are the five senses? The sight, hearing, smell. What's this? Taste and touch. Very good. Okay, so how my nervous system works. We're going to see how it works. Imagine your ears hear the alarm clock in the morning. What happens? Nervous, or sleeping, and you hear the alarm clock. Ring, ring, and the nerves carry the information from our ears to our brain, right? We hear the alarm clock through our ears, and the nervous system, our nerves, sends the information to the brain, right? Very good. Our brain sends signals through the nerves to different parts of our body, and these body parts respond. So when the brain receives the information through the through the senses, the brain sends signals through the nerves to different parts of our body, and these body parts respond. And what happens then? We wake up, right? We open our eyes and wake up. Very good. So let's review. The most important part of the nervous system is what? What is the most important part of the nervous system? Very good. Our brain. Perfect. The brain is an organ inside where? Where is the brain? Our head. Perfect. Very good. And the brain sends information to different parts of our body through what? Through the nerves, right? Perfect. Well done. These are the nerves. It also receives information from the brain. The brain receives information from the, how many senses do we have? Five senses. Right. Very good. Five. Perfect. Very good, everybody. So this is all for today. Bye bye.